Hei Akashvani Aizawl ani Chanchinthar Achiarto Marian Zothanpui Chief Minister Pulal do Omatsuan Assembly Session nei huna Romin Rails Rangche ti chu namhla atan resolution aputlu atumthu asoi Sarkar chuan Eglavia Model Residential School EMRS Thartur parukabuat sai meka tuna hian a building tour sakna tho mek ani Prime Minister Narendra Modi chuan voinhian video conference kaltlangin Nasha Mukt Yuva for Viksit Bharat Sankalp Abhiyan atlang zardon ani Bon Open sangni le somni paruka India Mir Ram Kumar Ramanathan le Vijay Sundar Prashant Tetsuan doubles title anlaa an champion Chief Minister Pulal do Omatsuan Assembly Session nei huna Romin Rails sakangche ti chu namhla atan resolution a putlu atumthu asoi tunhnai khan tlang nom chuan India ram huap futsal champion anni anloma he huna hian khwalian Pulal do Omatsuan namhla atana an putlu tur chu atlang ngei po abe sei thu asoya anpom ani chuan ahla saklaya omdan tur po ngai dan anei ti soin ding chunga saktur ni in namhla saklai chuan kudle lamin om khoini se ati thu asoi bok
tulfa masonde ama hian session kanne tona chuan romin rails kan che ti namhla tan resolution in Katulotona, Atia Kanakla, Atia official Kanopum, so don't talk at Swam, Ola Kanea, Eva, and Sakara, Yan, Kankuti, Kanzumson, Yan Azerise, and Kiri.
Larsab General Retired Vijay Kumar Singan Mizoram Legislative Assembly for chutkom to August ni somni panga a akawa Assembly thunei to te soidanin Speaker Pulal Biakza maka ishwai Assembly Business Advisory Committee BAC chuan Assembly for chutkom chunga ti tur sang baka ahun chung anlarel don ani Tundin muna Mizoram Legislative Assembly a hian member somli omin Rural Lai Zoram People's Movement chuan member somni pasari anneya Eptu Party Mizo National Front chuan member somnein BJP in member pani baka Congress achangin MLA pakhat anombok ani Sarkar chuan Eglavia Model Residential School EMRS Thartur paruk abuat sai meka tuna hian a building tour sakna tho mek ani Akashvani News zone changin Mizoram EMRS Society hotu te chuan RD Block paruka EMRS building thar sak mek ani thuan soya heng hun te hi sol eng khobung khozol lungsen pangzol le west phaile nga te ania heng zinga chen khat chuni kumkum top lama sakchan ania a chen chu kumin kumtir lama sakchan ni in kumni chunga sakzo turwa manani thu soi ani Eglavia Model Residential School EMRS masaber hi kumsang ni le pariat khan lungleya da ania EMRS ser chip chu kumsang ni le sompanga khan honle ania kumsang ni le somni khan EMRS tharpali ngopa longtlai chongte le tuipa nga te honle ania nikum khan panga tlang nuam zol nuam bilkho clear nawo tla le tlungvel te honle ania heti hian tundin huna EMRS function mek hi sompakhat a om ani
Eglavia Model Residential School hi Mizoram EMRS Society Social Welfare and Tribal Affairs Mizoram Sarkar noya enkol mek ania NESTS Ministry of Tribal Affairs chuan Tribal no pang zirnalama an for bilo nan at hon vakin an lekha sirna tu sel soron tum sak veka EMRS hi residential school ania Tribal no pang tan bi liao at hon veka lekha sirna mun ania Paul ru ko tanga intranin Paul som pani thlenga lekha sir thena mun ani EMRS school no pang ta ye thon vakin school uniform lekha bu bag pen pencil le zirna tana mo ai nang khat veka pek ania mi hausa le ra thei fa ta thler lovin Mizoram chu Mizo no pang to phot chuan khoi hmun atang po ni se admission ati thei veka admission ti don hian seat atam lo wang entrance test le medical examination an parthang angai vek thung ani panel ro Akashvani News Aizawl
Chanchinthar hi Akashvani Aizawl atanga puan ania AIR News Aizawl YouTube channel, All India Radio News Aizawl Facebook page le newsonair.gov.in ate Chanchinthar hi ngai thlak le chiar theyada ani voin chanu dar ni le chanvia Chanchinthar puan le ani ang Next Gen Organization chuan Nimin Khan BSI Hola kumnga tlin champha anlom Next Gen kumnga tlin champha lomna inkhom hun khatna a hian Next Gen din tu le Chairperson Dr. Lalmal Somi Marin thucha asoya Next Gen in wanglai ni chanchin buwa cholkar tin ninga ni apianga thuziak article anti chwa da khomna lekhabu pahni na Volume 2 chu Anpol Patron Member Dr. Lalbiak Moyangente in Pathian Hena Lanin Atlang Zara Praise and Worship Hunman Anibok Hun ni na a Next Gen Talk ne ania Tunlai Khovele Pathian Chi na ti thupui sai ho ani Tlaya Next Gen kumnga tlin lomnan zanria kil ho anibok Next Gen hi kumsang ni le somhi pakhat khan din ani a Until tumchu Ramle nam maso na tora Pathian chi chuan thar din ti ani India Independence Day den chana buat sai I-Day football tournament sangni somni paruk chu group stage khel zo ania quarter final khel tur team paria ta shiato ani Nimin Khan RG Stadium group match nung pahni khel ni in khel masazoka Aizawl FC chuan sithum fain Lushai Corner FC chuan nia in khel nung zoka Kanan FC chuan RFYC chu Golthum Fai bakin an nia quarter final hi August ni som achangin na khel chhun zom ani don Dinthar Mizoram Police Kanan FC MLS FC Aizawl FC Saikhamakon FC Ramtharveng FC le chan mari te anin el chhun zom le ang Prime Minister Narendra Modi chuan voinhian video conferencing biak mu theina kaltlangin Nasha Mukt Yuva for Viksit Bharat Sankalp Abhiyan atlang zardona rampum huapa Jan Bagidari in Rilhau dona karza chung o chan na tur ani ang he program a hian rampuma chalai te mun sang chuang atangin teldon ani MY Bharat National Service Scheme Youth Club School, College, University, NGO, Industry Association at chalai tele organization Zasom hi panga chuang te po in he program hi biak mu theina kaltlangin an chimve don ani campaign hnoya hian rampuma pathian ni apiangin ruihlo laka fihlim khotlang din na kongami puite fuinan kartin malak na buat sai ani ang hek malak na shanga hian sports event walkathon meditation session cultural program awareness campaign nakut na tax discussion forum art competition le community engagement program te omdon ani Bon Open sanghi somni paruka India mi Ramkumar Ramanathan le Vijay Sundar Prasant Tetsuan doubles title an la an champion Dakar khatlemin somthum khatsung o finala England mi Scott Duncan le Sweden mi Adam Heinonen Tetsu 7-6-6-3 in an nia semi-final la Ignacio Caro le Federico Augustin Gomez Tetsu 6-2-6-3 in an nuwa final hian lut ani he title here Ramkumar hian kumin chunga ATP Challenger doubles trophy lagvoini na niya Jun Khan Indian player Ritvik Bolipali nen Texas Spine and Joint Challenger Men's Championship ane na unload sang to a kumsomthum pakata upa Ramkumar hian ATP Challenger title som pathum achoy to ani Chanchinthar charti tomnan Chanchinthlang pui Chief Minister Pulal do Matsuan Assembly Session ni huna roaming rails kangche ti chu namla atan resolution putlu antum thuwa soi sarkar chuan Iglavia Model Residential School EMRS thartor parukabat sai meka tuna hian a building tur sakna thomek ani Prime Minister Narendra Modi chuan voin hian video conference kaltlangin Nasha Mukti Yuva for Viksit Bharat Sankalp Abhiyan atlang zardon ani Bon Open sanghi somni paruka India mi Ramkumar Ramanathan le Vijay Sundar Prasant Tetsuan doubles title an la an champion so tizom so Chanchinthar kan puan the chu ani